All right, it is time to visit the first beach in Lidingö in 2024. This is Käppalabadet, located in Lidingö Island, of course. And right now it is happening some kind of strange thing in the water, that's including the police and the coastal service. I'm not really sure what's going on, but I see the sirens are being on, so I'm really not sure. But it is 8th of July 2024 and beach day number 87 on the Sweden Beach Adventures. And currently it is around 19 degrees Celsius in the air and cloudy mostly, with sun here and there. But in the water, I just measured, it is 11 degrees Celsius. So this is the coldest I have been swimming in the past 2 months probably, because it was already above this temperature even in May, and now we are in July, so I'm not really sure why is it so cold right here. But yeah, you can see the action over there with the boats. I'm not really sure if there has been some stealing or something, but something is going on, but I can't figure out what. But there are 3 coastal service boats and 1 police boat there, I see. So yes, the beach here is sandy, and there is even a rather large rocky part as well that I'm going to show you right now, so you will see for yourself. And there is even a playground as well. So yeah, Käppalabadet, you can get here by going to Ropsten with the red line first, and then from Ropsten you take the Lidingöbanan. It takes around 16 minutes from Ropsten to the station Käppala. And now there is a boat passing by, Cinderella 2, which makes that the waves are coming very, very soon. And yes, what else? So Lidingö we are at right now, and I'm watching now the action in the water that happens right now. But I'm taking a swim anyway here, so let's now wait for the waves to come in as we speak, and I watch the action, what happens over there with the coastal service and police boats. So yes, it is freezing cold. It is freezing cold indeed. So here we have some stones after the sandy entrance into the beach, and here we have the waves starting to rumble in. So we are taking a swim in this cold Baltic Sea, in 3, 2, 1, let's go! The sea is amazing, but also very cold. Also very cold indeed. So this is the beach that you can see, as seen from the freezing water of 11 degrees. And we can see on the other side, that is Telegrafberget with the buildings, and we have also here some buildings on the Lidingö side as well, and the action of the STHLM's brandförsvar. So that's the fire department on water, actually, and the police. So not really sure what's happening. Maybe I need to look in the updates on the police to see what they're doing over there, actually. But yes, Lidingö. Greetings from Lidingö, from this freezing water, from Käppalabadet. So thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!